Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete credit card in Foodpanda. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Foodpanda app, and once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now all you need to do is simply tap on the account section that is on the bottom right hand side of the corner. So once you do this, you will be redirected to this page. So simply tap on the payment section. So once you have done this, all your payment methods will be listed in this kind of section. So now to remove your credit card or to remove your credit card details, all you need to do is simply select the payment method that has the credit card in it. So once you tap it, you can simply find an option called delete. So simply tap on delete and it will allow you to delete your credit card details by deleting the credit card as a payment method itself. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos like this. So till then, stay tuned and thank you so much for watching.